Welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a slide on successful versus unsuccessful people. Here you can see I have added two icons. One is the successful success man and another one is the unsuccessful. And when I click, it will show you the two thumbs up. One is green, which is successful, and red, which is unsuccessful. And you can add any text there. So let's see how to create this slide in PowerPoint. Add a new slide. Here I have taken the image from the internet, which is the Facebook like icon. So just copy this icon and I'm just going to insert shapes. Under lines I'm going to use freedom shape. So I'm going to create an outline of this particular image. So just draw the outline of the hand with the thumbs up. Don't worry about the details, that we can do it later. We can edit this. So just do a outline only. And double click. Now if you remove this hand, you can see the outline has been created. Now you can increase the width, the weight of the lines, give something like 3 or 4, and then right mouse click, say edit points, and wherever we need a curved, right mouse click on that point and just say smooth point. You can see it has become smooth there. So here also I need a smooth point. This also becomes smooth, and for the other fingers also you can just make a smooth point. Don't do for all, only for the selected only you can do the smooth point. And you can adjust this also, or if required we can delete some also. For example, this is not getting set, so maybe I can delete that one. Again, right mouse click, edit points, reduce the size, and edit points, zoom in and delete this one. Right mouse click on that point and delete it. We can delete this image or move the other side. You can edit shape and increase the width. As of now I'm just keeping 7.5. Later on maybe we can increase further if required. So I'm just going to change the color, the outline color, to green, and press Ctrl D to duplicate it and rotate, flip vertical and then flip horizontal, and change the outline to red. Align it properly. So we can see that the two one thumbs up and one thumbs down is there. It's kind of a like or a dislike. And select this both and increase the width. Maybe we can make it to 15. And I'm going to add the text here. This is for the successful. I'm selecting the font called Oswald and increase the size, make it bold, and Ctrl D to duplicate and bring it to the other side and make it as unsuccessful. Again press Ctrl D, and this is adding one more text here which is called the opposite. And here I have downloaded these two icons from the nonproject.com. You can also download it for free, and just paste it just beside the text. And then you can add further text, the points of the successful. For example, he lead by example, or trust, or whatever points you like to mention, you can mention it here. And again you can add the points below also. For example, always blames other, no trust, or whatever, lazy. And then if you want, you can add some animation to it. Bring it at the center of the slide, and you can change some background color. I'm just giving a light blue here. And if you want to add some animation, you can just go to the animation tab, and here instead of fade, I'll select maybe a wipe effect, and from left then select the thumbs up. This also wipe, which is from left again. Make it all after previous, and this one is also wipe but from right. Then unsuccessful from left. And for the text also you can add the same appear, and this one should go after the green, and this should be after previous also. So let's see how it works. You can see a simple animation I have added here. Or in the slideshow, when I click, it will show the animation. You can make more animation also. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.